Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hello my gingerbread and gentlemen, welcome again to another episode of JVLOGS. Don't think for a minute that I'm slacking off. I'm not. I'm still making my YouTube video at least 2 videos per week. I'll try to do 3 videos per week depending on how I'm feeling on topics that I have to talk about, because you know I want to improve this year and make things better and be more interactive and more, you know, bring across more of my personality so you guys can enjoy myself more and just be crazy with my crazy self. No, welcome to 2017, everyone that made it. I'm happy that you guys are here. Thanks to all the new subscribers. I'm tired to say that. I'm 275 subscribers. No, I don't know if I gained more since today, but I really appreciate you guys. So welcome. For the 2017, as I said in the last video, I hope you guys make a real plan and go after them, work towards them, and ensure that you accomplish them. Now, today what I want to talk to you about is a little stuff that I've been doing. Like yesterday, I went on the internet, being that I used to attend a college, and you learn a lot of stuff in college. I did sciences, I did IT courses, I did philosophy courses, stuff like that. No, a lot of stuff that I learned in college kind of helped me to be a better person and open my eyes more to understanding people and kids and how they operate. So I actually took that with me and I tried to implement that in my day-to-day routine. So I was looking back at a video about self-awareness and being an effective person, and what stand out the most to me was one of the topics where it says, seek to understand and then be understood. Again, seek to understand and then be understood. What that is really saying is that a lot of times we are upset with ourselves or we're upset with people because they don't understand us or understand what we're going through. But in reality, we don't understand them. So how, if we don't understand a person, how are they going to understand us? And why I say this, the ability to understand how a person operates will help us to change how we operate around them. So for instance, you're a person who is calm and easygoing, but you're dealing with somebody that is more upbeat and they always want to be in the spotlight, but you're just laid back, right? They only see things how they like it. They only see things the way, you know, they see it, but they can't understand you, right? And they keep complaining that, oh, you're too calm and you're too easy going and this and that. But the point is, seek to understand and then be understood. They're not trying to understand you and the reason why you're like this, and probably it's the same for you. You are not trying to understand why you're so upbeat, and some of the reason could be that that's what they're grown into. That's the type of people they are around. That's the environment they're around. And you might be a person that lives in the country, you're laid back and you like to go by the stream and catch fish. And you know, you're easygoing and stuff. So there's like this wall, and you guys probably have to dip or step over that wall to understand each other before you can be understood. So it go vice versa. I hope you guys get that point. So with that being said, I hope you guys try to understand people more in 2017. People that you deal with, co-workers that you deal with, try to understand how they operate and allow them to understand you. Open up some more, relax around them, show them that, hey, this is me, and you know, this is the things I do, this is the things I like, and if we're going to work together in the same environment, might as well we relax and enjoy each other company and understand how and the type of things we like and how we operate. And I think it will work out better because, you know, communication is very important. So try to do that for 2017, and hopefully things will get better communication, you know, better understanding amongst people. So try to take these things and implement them in your day-to-day life. I know a lot of people say for the new year know me, and I'm going to do this and I'm going to do that, and they still don't get anything accomplished. Listen, take it up on yourself to change gradually. Change don't happen overnight. You can't say, alright, 2017, you know, yo man, change man, different now, you know, you don't know, say, yo, man, rich this year, you know. But you're not doing anything to be rich. You're not working, you're not trying to look at work, but you're just talking. Yo, you know, I'm going to change and I'm going to be a good girl I'm going to, you know, take care of myself and all that. You can't do that unless you put in the work. You see me? I say, you have to put in the work to ensure, say, get the result where you want. If you don't do that, it don't make no sense. You see what I'm saying? So you have to put these things into practice. You have to start step by step, take baby step, take baby step. So don't put a limit, you know, on changing who you are. You know, it might take years, it might take months, it might take days, depending on you and how comfortable you are what you're doing. So my advice to you, just take baby steps and then make these changes, implement them day by day. And that is my advice for you for 2017. You know, work on the changes and work on you and ensure that you just be a better person, just be you understand? But I don't know why I'm putting on the gangster mode right now, but it seems to be working a little bit. A little hand movement. But here I'm gone before I start goof around too much on the camera. But thanks again for watching JVLOGS. Hit the likes button, hit the thumbs up button. Don't give me any thumbs down, because I see 2 persons give me thumbs down on my Rise video. I'm bad up this year, but yeah, stay cool people, stay safe, you know, continue to share and love each other and us, you know, be happy people, happy people want around us. So thanks for watching JVLOGS, and subscribe and share, leave a comment below. Thanks very much. Catch you guys next video.